Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool under here, and pretty much what this is a collapsible stool. If you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and right here in the front, if you can see they show you guys how there's different color available. They do have a black option, a red option, and a blue option. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So when you guys first open up, if you see how everything is all nice wrapped up, let's take it out. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the inside looks like. So here they do provide guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then here we do have the product. So let's do take out the bag. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So you can see on top right here, they do give you guys a little handle for you to carry around really easily. On the side right here, they do give you a strap option for you guys to actually use it as a strap, like a shoulder strap option. Let me open up and show you guys what I mean. So let's do take it out. If you guys loosen it up, that will pretty much give you guys an option to use like this. So that we can carry around really easily. Maybe if you guys want to use it when you guys are camping, or if you guys are waiting in line for something, or if you guys want to do gardening or something, it's very easy and very compact for you to bring it along, which is pretty cool. And then once you guys are done, you guys can close it back up by pulling the strap to tighten it back up. Just like that, and close it back up like this. Then it's all set with that part. So really cool to give you guys that option available. When you guys feel the top part right here, they do have a very nice material that's supposed to be like scratch resistant, which is pretty cool. And you can see for the top part right here, they do give you guys two holes. Same thing for our side right here. And pretty much what that hole is for is so that way you can put your finger inside on both sides to actually pull it to open it up, which I'll show you guys in a second. But you can see on the bottom of the product, they do have like the non-slip material to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it. And when you guys do feel the overall weight of the product, it doesn't feel heavy. It's actually pretty lightweight. I think this is probably like less than 3 pounds when you guys do feel it. So that is everything that's on the product. Now I'm going to open up and show you guys how to use the product. So like I mentioned, you guys want to put your finger on here and on the other side as well and pull it out. And when you guys pull it out, it gives you guys an option to make it higher or lower based on your own preference. Let me show you what I mean. So for the first one, I'll pull it all the way out to show you guys what it looks like. So you can see how when you guys fully open up, it locks it in for each one of these parts right here. And if you guys want to make it shorter, what you can do is pull it out and lock it to where you guys want. So just like this, pull it out and lock it there. And when you guys lock it there, if you guys push it down, it's actually really strong and very sturdy. So it will support your weight when you guys do use it. So if I bring it up close, that's what it looks like right here to actually hold it in place for each different section. So once you guys are done, you guys can pull it back out to loosen it up and bring it back together. Very easy and very simple. Let's do it one more time. Pull it all the way out. Lock it in. If you can hear how sturdy it is when you guys do use it. So once you guys fully set it up, this is what the product looks like. So if you guys are curious about the weight capacity that's on here, they mentioned the weight capacity that's on here is 400 pounds. So as long as you guys are under that weight limit, then you should be fine. So once you guys are done, you guys can bring it back together. Yeah, it's all set. So now I'm actually going to fully open it and sit down on here to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do use it. And also to show you guys when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here I do have the product. Let's test it out to see how it actually works. So I have to open it. Once you guys do open it, you guys want to make sure that it supports the weight on here by pushing it down. If it feels sturdy, then you can use it. So let's do sit down. Once you guys do sit down, you can see the product does work, and it does feel pretty comfortable when you guys do sit down. So like I mentioned earlier, as long as you guys are under 400 pounds, then you should be fine. Let me stand on top of it here to show you guys that I will support my weight. So you can see how when you do stand on top, it does support my weight on here. So the product definitely works pretty well. And if you guys try to move it around, you still can move it around. But because of the non-slip material that's on here, it makes it a little bit harder for you guys to move it around. And once you guys are done using it, you can close it back up. Very easy and very simple. Welcome back, guys. So now, so quick test of the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. You can see how easy it is for you guys to actually use it and put it away. So whether if you guys want to use it indoor, outdoor, when you guys are gardening, or maybe if you guys want to use it when you guys are camping or waiting in line, maybe for Black Friday or something, you guys can just take this out and open it up and just sit down and wait. And once you guys are done using it, or if you guys don't want to use it, just put it back together. It's literally such a cool product that saves a lot of space and not even heavy compared to like carrying like a chair or camping chair. But you can see when we do use the product, it actually works really well. So that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to end the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality stool that's super compact and foldable and portable, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.